Today is pizza day. That's right, we're making pizza sauce. No more jarred pizza sauce. Throw this in the trash. I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious pizza sauce from scratch with ingredients you probably already have at home. Excited? Let's do it. Yeah. And a shoulder roll. To get started, I've got some crushed tomatoes and I'm gonna add that right into my pot. Now I'm adding in some sugar. I personally like a little sweetness in my pizza sauce, but this is totally up to you. You can just add a dab or you can add it all like I'm about to do. Now I've got some Italian seasoning. Stir-bought is totally fine. In it goes. And now some garlic, because you can't have anything Italian without garlic, I'm pretty sure. And finally, some salt and pepper. I'm using some kosher salt. Now we're just gonna stir all of this together. So this is starting to simmer. I'm gonna take this off the heat and I'm gonna put in a heavy duty blender, or you can use a food processor, and I'm gonna pulse until you get a nice, thick, smooth consistency. So I've pulsed this, it's nice and smooth, and it's going right back into our pot. And our sauce is done. Did you see how quick and easy that was? You can make this right at home. No need to buy that jar of pre-made chemical-based sauce anymore. You can make this with simple ingredients right in your kitchen. And it tastes incredible. Make sure you tune in for my next video where I show you how to make my delicious and easy pizza crust. Shoulder roll.
Make sure you head to grandbaby-cakes.com to grab this recipe and so many more. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my weekly recipe videos.